Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best folding treadmills for small spaces in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Sconian electric folding treadmill. Music can make all the difference during a workout, so if you're someone who can't work out in silence, the USB-compatible treadmill is essential. Designed with built-in speakers, this Sconian treadmill includes a MP3 plug and USB port for you to plug in your device and listen to your favorite playlist. Keep track of how many calories you're burning, your heart rate, time, distance, and more with the LED display screen. Enjoy switching up your exercise routine each time with the 12 built-in workout programs to choose from. Number 10. Sunny Health Amp Fitness Folding Treadmill. Finding the motivation to go to the gym during the winter can be challenging, but creating an at-home gym can make it more convenient for burning calories and losing weight whenever you want. This affordable treadmill comes with an easy folding design and soft drop system that will help you unfold your treadmill safely and hands-free. Whether you're doing a slow walk or a quick jog, you can also adjust the speed up to 9 miles per hour depending on how intense of a workout you're looking for. If you enjoy watching videos or listening to music on a device, then you'll especially enjoy the device holder feature for added convenience. Number 9. Weslow Crosswalk 5.2T Total Body Treadmill. With its CHP impulse motor, this treadmill was made for smooth operation every workout. If you're tight on space, the model comes in a foldable design so that you can store it away after each use. You can target various muscles with the adjustable incline settings, and even give your arms an extra workout with the upper arm resistance feature that gives you a cardio and arm workout at the same time. Whether you're going for a light jog or a morning walk, this treadmill will provide you with a personalized workout each time. Number 8. Serene Life Smart Electric Folding Treadmill comes equipped with a soft drop system to avoid any heavy lifting and a safer setup. Whether you're a new runner or looking to challenge yourself, this model comes with the 16 preset training modes to choose from. Keep yourself entertained with music or your favorite podcast using the Bluetooth settings. The safety handrails also have speed settings so that you can conveniently adjust the speed to fit your needs. Happy customer, it's light, has a small footprint and is very quiet. I love that the program's speeds and patterns are visible on the dashboard. The two holders are perfect for my phone and TV remote. Number 7. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This foldable treadmill is a winner for so many reasons. Beyond its ease and portability, the treadmill comes completely installed right out of the box. The sturdy, durable steel frame has a quiet, built-in motor with a non-slip belt with shock absorption for ease on joints. Use it with the handles for stability, or fold the riser for use with a standing desk. There's a holder for your phone on the center riser for entertainment, and you can easily link your phone to the treadmill's built-in Bluetooth speaker for better sounds. Happy customer. So far I am extremely happy with this product. I wanted something that would be easy to move around in case I wasn't sure which room I wanted it in, and something small enough that it wouldn't take up the majority of any room. This is somewhat compact but still has the strength to work with me and my other half. This machine compared to the last one I had at home is extremely quiet, which was another huge plus for me since my workout room is upstairs above an office room. Even at a higher speed no one knew I was working out. Number 6. Baifunua 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. At under $400, this compact folding treadmill is the best deal for walking workouts at home. It comes completely installed with a 5-layer shock-absorbing base that is cushy on your joints, and an anti-skid, noise reduction belt that is whisper quiet. The LED screen tracks your workout time, calories burned, and other vitals, while an easy-to-reach safety key lets you quickly stop the treadmill to prevent falls. Happy customer, I bought this to get our family a little bit more active during COVID and to use it as a walking treadmill under my stand-up desk. It functions great. We put it in the family room. My preteens frequently walk on it while we watch a family movie, and when we're done with it, we slide it under the couch. I walk on it for exercise, about 3 miles a day, and then I can log another 2 to 4 miles during the workday at my desk. Number 5. Sunny Health Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill. With more than 1,600 5-star reviews on Amazon, the Sunny Health T7515 is one of the best treadmills for seniors. Safety features include non-slip handlebars, an emergency stop clip, and a hands-free, soft-drop hydraulic system that makes it easy to open and collapse without straining. Control the incline and speed from either your handlebars or the digital screen, which also provides you with 12 preset workouts and the ability to measure speed, time, distance, calories burned, and pulse. Simply sync your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth to stream music, podcasts, or even video workouts from your device. I bought this to battle the 15 from quarantine. It was high time I did some sort of exercising, so I searched high and low for a used treadmill to get me going, but I couldn't find one that was decent for less than this cost. I'm so glad. I really love this thing. It's so easy to adjust your speed. I love the mileage tracker and the timer. I can track my progress to see how long it takes me to walk a mile today as opposed to a week ago. I'm not in good enough shape yet to use the incline, well, at least not the real incline. At level 1, you can barely notice it. You have to go up to about level 4 to feel it. I plan to wait a bit before I do that. I've been walking between 1.5 and 2 miles on this almost daily for the last 5 weeks and haven't had a single problem with the machine. It feels solid. It's got cup holders on either side. I haven't used the speaker yet because I prefer headphones. All in all, a very good purchase. It got me off the couch, and that's praise from on high, let me tell ya. Number 4. Weslow Cadence Folding Treadmill. For a comfortable workout with minimal joint pain afterwards, the Weslow Cadence Folding Treadmill was designed for a comfortable workout. Using Comfort Cell cushioning technology, the treadmill provides added support to help prevent joint aches and pains post-workout. Target specific muscle groups too with the adjustable incline settings. When you're done exercising, the space-saver design allows you to easily fold up the treadmill for storing away afterwards. I bought this so I could keep doing cardio in the winter without needed to join a gym. Works great and is easy to operate. Assembly was simple and only took about 15 minutes. I have enjoyed running on it. It is quiet and smooth. I would recommend this to other people and would buy again. Number 3. Runo Folding Treadmill. Convenience is key when you're working out. It's easy to get distracted with figuring out what buttons do what, but this treadmill massive LCD makes the process simple. Along with being gorgeous, it has dozens of preset workouts, so you won't get bored. The foldable design includes a large belt that's shock absorbent and easy on the ankles. Speed walk the pounds away, watching the display where you can track your time, speed, distance, calories burnt, and heart rate. When you want more of a challenge, adjust the manual incline. The speed can also be controlled on the handlebars, making reaching your fitness goals that much more easy. The treadmill definitely changed our way of life during the pandemic and my family just loves it. It's very simple in design but has got all the features needed for our. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TRX 3500 Treadmill. This treadmill is definitely a splurge, but all the bells and whistles it comes with, and the lifetime motor warranty, make it a worthy investment for walkers and runners alike. The large, backlit LCD display keeps track of all your progress and vital stats, and comes pre-programmed with 30 motivating workouts. Easily adjust the speed and incline with a remote control that is built into the handle. A wireless chest strap transmitter and pulse grips keep track of your heart rate with accuracy and efficiency. A magnetic safety tether attaches to your waistband, automatically stopping the belt to provide a safeguard from falls. There's even a built-in fan to keep you cool. When you're done with your workout, wheels and a lift assist help you easily fold the treadmill for storage. This is an incredibly solid treadmill which replaced my last treadmill of 15 years. I walk 4 days and run 3 days a week, around 3 miles daily. This perfectly fit my needs. It has all the settings and accessories. It's very high quality for its price. My hubby says he can't hear me running in the next room. It's much quieter than my previous treadmill. Number 1. Famistar W500C Electric Folding Treadmill. Some days it can be a struggle to find the motivation to work out, but this treadmill makes it more convenient. Rather than worrying about picking up your treadmill every time you want to go for a run, this design includes wheels so you can easily push it around your living space. Then, when you're ready to put it away, the treadmill folds up for easy storage. As you're doing your daily walk or jog, you won't have to worry about a noisy machine distracting you. This model was designed with a quiet 1.5 HP motor. You can also track your progress from start to finish using the LED display that shows your distance, calories burned, time, and more.